Election Day, Ribeira Grand, October 12, 2025. One of these days I will walk around counting all our churches. There is a lot of churches. Our local post office, nice old building. This here is city center with the old building, City Hall, very old and historic building. Downtown, Ribeira Grand. Citizen card, resident card, whatever. This is where I got it. And now I'm just waiting for Rita to get the same. So, welcome to the Azores. I can't get over because of the election, and of course it's Sunday. Everything is so quiet. Hardly anybody around. Almost everything is closed. Few cafes is open, but otherwise it's just quiet. And of course a rental car. And the quiet ocean also. The building material here on the island has for hundreds of years been lava rock. And of course there is plenty of it all over the place, and cities are placed on the lava deltas, of course following the coastline. Of course the dark color is all natural. Narrow streets, you have to be good at parking. I recognize this. This is what we call political differences. The green building is a very nice fish restaurant. Of course, here I'm talking about the sign in the grass. It was probably on one of the posts up here by the road, but now it's down there. I ain't gonna say nothing.